Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how to turn this flower into a ring and how to attach it to a hairpin and make a beautiful decoration. I'm making this flower only out of seed beads, and I'm using one 4mm bead that you could skip if you want, if you don't have one. It's easy to make and it's a step-by-step instruction. I already showed you in another tutorial how I'm making this flower in different colors, and I attached it to a bracelet back then, but I decided that I will make beautiful sets, and all the bracelet that I did in the past, not all but most of them, I will make ring bands, I will make rings and hairpins and other decoration that could fit your set. That is why I will link the flower tutorial with and the full bracelet tutorial here at the eye icon, so you could check them out. And now if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos. And if you want to support me, you could like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now guys, I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, and I'm using 4mm bead here. You could use pearl, whatever you want. And I'm using scissors, size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I use my flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. And now I will take about 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 1.2 meters, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I'm back, and I will take one black bead and one silver, and I will do this 6 times. Okay, and now I have 6 black and 6 silver seed beads, 12 in total, and I'm going to slide them down. I will leave a small tail here, and now I will go back through all of my beads in circle. Okay, now I have this beautiful circle of beads here, and I'm exiting 2 beads after my tail thread, and here I want to make a knot, and I will make a knot by making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull, then I will continue around my circle of beads here. Okay, I will exit out of this silver bead. Okay, in fact I need to exit out of a black bead. Now what I need to add here, guys, are 2 silver seed beads, 1 red and then 2 more silvers. Okay, I have this on my needle, and as I'm exiting from this black one, I will go through my next black bead, just like that. Then I will repeat this, 2 silvers, 1 red, and then again 2 more silvers. Okay, this is what I have, and as I'm exiting from this black one, I'm going through my following black. Okay, and I will show you one more time, 2 silvers, 1 red and 2 silvers. Okay, and I'm going through the following black. Okay, and I will repeat this 3 more times off camera and I'll be back. Okay, now I have these beads here, and as I'm exiting from this black one, I'm going through my next black bead. Okay, just like that. And before I continue, I want to add my middle bead. Okay, so I will take my middle bead here, go through it, and as I'm exiting from this black one here, you see I'm exiting out of this black one, I will go through the opposite black one and in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, and I will pull just like that. Okay, this is what I have. Now I will go through these 2 silver beads. Then I will go through this red one, and I'm going to take red, black and red. Okay, here is what I have, and I'm going back in circle through these beads. Okay, then I'm going through this silver to the center of my work, 1 bead to the center of my work, and I'm taking 1 black. Okay, then I'm going through the next silver and red, and I'm pulling. Then I need red, black and red. Okay, and I'm going back through this red one. Then I'm going through the silver, taking just 1 black bead, going through the silver and the red, exiting out of this red one, and then again red, black, red. Okay, going like that, then take 1 black, going through the next silver. Okay, and I'm going to continue 3 more times, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay, and I'm finishing this row by adding here this black one, going through the silver one, then exiting out of this red one. Okay, and now I will take 3 seed beads and I'm going through this bead here. Just like that, and pay attention that this bead pops up from this side. Then I'm going through all of those beads in this direction, and I'm exiting out of this red one here, and I'm adding just 3 red beads, forming my next flower. And again this bead is popping up from this side. Okay, and I'm going here through these beads, fix this a little bit to look nicer, and I'll show you 3rd time, going through this bead, take just 3 and go down in this direction. Okay, then I'm going to continue with these 3 steps and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here at my last step where I'm adding my last 3 beads. Okay, like that. Then I want to go in my next flower. And I want to exit here between those two beads from this side of my flower. Okay, I'm exiting between those two beads here. And what I want to take is silver, black, silver. I have it here. And I will go here again between those two red beads. And here at the top I want to add 3 silvers and go around in circle like that. Then I want to take silver, black, silver, and I have it here, and I'm going again between the two side beads of my flower. Okay, and I will take again 3 silvers, go back, go between those two reds, and take silver, black, silver. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going here just like that, exiting out of my top bead and adding 3 silvers and going around. Then I'm again between those two beads and taking silver, black, silver, and I'm going through these next two beads, exiting out of my top. And you see how my work bends down, okay? And I will continue this, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 3 silvers. Then what I want to do is exit here at this black bead, and I want to take 3 black beads, and I want to go back in circle through this middle black one. Okay, just like that. And then I will go again through one of my blacks, and I will take 3 more black beads, and I will go here through this first black one, and I'm forming the same flower here that I have here, but in black color, and again this bead should pop up from this side. Okay, then I'm going here through this black one and through the next silver. And what I want to do is go through all of my beads here, and I want to reach my next black one, and I will repeat the same steps. I'm taking 3 black seed beads, going back in circle through this one here, then again through this black one, okay, and here I want to add 3 seed beads, and I want to go through this black one here, just like that, and my bead pops up from this side, you see. Then I will go through this black one and through the following beads. Okay guys, and I'm going to continue this until I finish this row, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now my flower is ready, and now I'm going to show you how to turn this into a ring. Okay, I'm exiting out of this black bead here, and what I want to do is turn my flower around, and I need to exit out of one of my red beads, okay? I need to exit here out of this red bead. You see where my thread is? From the bottom petal of my red flower, okay? And I'm going to take 5 of these beautiful red beads. Here I have my 5, and I'm going through my next red bead of the same row. It is the bottom, the inner petal of my flower, okay? Now I have this beautiful loop of beads, okay? And I will take 5 more. I have my 5 here, and I'm going through this next red bead. Okay, you see what I have here, okay? And I will show you one more time. 5, go through the next red one, okay? And continue 3 more times, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last 5 beads here, exiting out of this red one, okay? Then I'm going through these 3 beads here in this direction, exiting out of my middle red bead. And what I need to add are 3 black beads, okay? And I want to go through this middle red bead here with my 3 blacks, okay? So here I have 2 beads, and here I have 2 red beads, and I'm going through the middle red one, okay? So now this is what I have, you see? And I will take 3 more. Okay, I have 3, and I'm going through this middle red bead. You see where? Okay, you see what I have now from this side. Now I'm going to take 3 more, go through the following red, okay, and they are turning to the center of my work. 3 again, go through the following red, and 2 more. Okay, now this is what I have, and you could go one more time reinforcing this row here. Okay guys, and now as I reinforce this inner circle here, what I need to do is go through some beads and make a knot, okay? And I will cut this thread because it won't be enough to make my ring band. I will cut it and I will add a new thread, and now I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. Okay, in order to cut it, I need to make a loop and go twice with my thread through this loop I've made. And I make sure that my thread is between those two beads where I started my loop from, my knot from, and I will repeat these steps several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Now I'm going to put another 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is 1.2 meters. So this is another thread, and I will start making my ring band with it. I will attach it the same way that I cut my old thread. So I'm going through some beads here in my flower. I will leave a small tail, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm making a loop and I'm going once and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I want to go through some beads and exit here where I will start my ring band. But before I start my ring band, I will cut my tail thread here. Okay. And now guys, I'm in a position to start my ring band. Okay. And I will start it by taking one black seed bead, and I'm going back in circle to the same through the same black seed bead. Okay. And I'm pulling gently. Okay, and I have this bead attached to the other one. Okay, this is a loop, you see. Then what I want to do is go through my next black bead with my thread. Okay, and I will take one silver seed bead, and I will go back again through this middle bead. I'm making a loop between those two beads and I'm attaching them to one another. Okay, then I'm going through my next black bead, and I want to attach one black bead over this one. Okay, the same way I did before. I'm basically doing one and the same thing now. Okay, now I want to make those beads stay together. That is why I'm going through the 3 newly added beads in this direction, and then I'm going back through these first 3 beads, and this is more difficult. Okay, then again back through these 3 beads. Now I need to add one more black seed bead, and I'm going back through this black bead here in circle, forming a loop between those 2 beads, and I'm pulling. Then I'm going through it, and I want to reach this middle silver bead, and I'm taking one silver and I'm going here through this middle silver one, and this is called the ladder stitch or square stitch. Okay, then I'm going through this silver and I'm taking one more black bead, going through it, pulling, then back again through the same bead I added, and again from these previous 3 beads. Okay, and again through these 3 beads. Okay, now this is what I have, and continue doing this until you have a ring band long enough to wrap it around your finger, and I'll do it and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm back, and you see what I have here. I have a ring band that is long enough to wrap it around my finger, and now I will touch it to the other part of my ring. Okay, now I will take my needle and I will go through the opposite black bead. Okay, now this is what I have here, and I'm going back through this black bead. This way, here I have a loop and I'm connecting my first 2 black beads. Okay, then I'm going through this one and through the following, and here I will go through my silver bead just like that, and then I will pop up my work just like that, and I'm going through 2 beads, then back through this first one or last one depending how you look it, and back through the other one. Okay, then what I do is that I go through these 3 beads, then back through these 3. If it's difficult for you, use your pliers, and I want to make a knot somewhere here. Okay, let's say between those 2 beads I will make a knot and I will cut my thread. Okay, I'm making a loop, going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and now my ring is ready. See how cool it looks? Don't forget that I have a tutorial about a bracelet and how I'm attaching this flower to a bracelet, and I'm linking it here at the icon. And now I will show you something else interesting, how to attach a flower to a hairpin. Okay, here I did something like a smaller ring band, you see, and this will be to attach my pin here. I want to make a beautiful decoration for my hair. Okay, and I'm pulling it. Okay, now we have a hairpin. It looks really nice. So now, if you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos. If you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. And you really help me by sharing, commenting and liking my content. You don't know how much you help me with this. So if you want to support me, do it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.